How to read WhatsApp messages on another device. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all your chat lists. Then, from here, go over to Settings and tap on this option, Link Device. Once you're here, hit the Link Device button. Then, tap on the OK button over here. Now, you need to place your camera over the QR code on another device, which could be a PC or phone. Or you can just link the devices just by tapping on this option below, which is Link with Phone Number instead. You need to place a code over here to link both the devices. And as you can see, it says to get your code, go to WhatsApp on the web or another device, then click Link with Phone Number. Following these steps, you can read WhatsApp messages on another device.